Hello everyone and welcome to our another video. PSG striker Kylian Mbappe has agreed to join Real Madrid next summer on a free transfer. Kylian Mbappe has reportedly agreed on a free transfer deal to Real Madrid from PSG next summer after his current contract with the Ligue 1 side ends. French football sensation and PSG superstar Kylian Mbappe has been linked with a transfer to La Liga giants Real Madrid for a quite while now. As the winter transfer window 2022 comes to an end on January 31, it is now being reported that the 23-year-old will join Real Madrid in the summer after his contract with PSG expires. As per the report, Real Madrid has finally made a significant breakthrough in their pursuit of Kylian Mbappe as he has agreed to join the club at the end of the summer as a free agent. During the summer transfer window 2021, PSG rejected two bids from Real Madrid for Mbappe's transfer, while hoping the Frenchman would continue plying his trade at Paris. However, as per the latest report, the French club boss have seemingly failed to convince Mbappe to not open for a transfer. Mbappe is one of the mainstays of Pochettino's side who are currently at the top of the Ligue 1 2021 and 2022 points table. Mbappe will reportedly earn 50 million euros per year at Real Madrid. Real Madrid and Kylian Mbappe have reportedly reached an agreement which would see the France international join Los Blancos next summer on a free transfer. Mbappe's contract with Paris Saint-Germain runs until June 30, but the forward has turned down all of the club's renewal offers and is only interested from Real Madrid. According to reports, Mbappe will earn 50 million euros per season at the Bernabeu Stadium, which would make the 23-year-old the highest paid player in the world. The deal between the two parties will not be made official before the Champions League round of 16 tie between Real Madrid and PSG is over. The German publication also stressed that the Ligue 1 club have already given up on the efforts to extend Mbappe's contract. For his part, Mbappe has already stated in various interviews that he is currently focused on winning trophies with Paris Saint-Germain. Also, Kylian Mbappe's little brother Ethan Mbappe has posted a photo of Kylian Mbappe in a Real Madrid shirt. Kylian Mbappe will sign this summer as a free agent and earn around 50 million a year for Real Madrid. Everything is 100% done. Agreement has been reached. Mbappe will join Real Madrid as a free agent in 2022 and will be a Real Madrid player. Kylian Mbappe started his professional football career by making his debut for Monaco in 2015 before joining PSG for the 2017-18 season on a loan deal. He became a permanent member of PSG starting with the 2018-19 season. Kylian Mbappe has played a total of 199 matches for the club so far and has displayed his masterclass by scoring goals on 151 occasions across all competition. Kylian Mbappe is currently enjoying stellar form as he has scored a total of 19 goals for PSG after playing 28 games across all competition in the 2021 and 2022 season. He has scored 10 goals for the team in 20 League 1 matches while scoring 4 goals in the 6 UEFA Champions League 2021-2022 games. At the same time, he has also scored 5 goals in 2 Coupe de France matches. But in the latest game against Nice, PSG got knocked out in the round of 16 of the French Cup. It's weird because before this season, Paris Saint-Germain have reached the French Cup finals for the 7 years in a row. The game ended with a 0-0, but in the penalty shootout, Nice have won by a 6-5. So it is confirmed that Kylian Mbappe has agreed to join Real Madrid on a free transfer in the 2022. Also, Kylian Mbappe will earn a salary of 50 million euros a year at Real Madrid.